Let's learn about understanding reverse movements. A car reverses for negative 50 miles. What is the absolute value of this distance and how does it describe the movement of the car? Well, let's take the absolute value. Absolute value of negative 50 miles. Well, the absolute value of a negative number is referring to, or the absolute value of any number, the distance that number is from 0. So the absolute value of negative 50's distance from 0 is a positive 50. So we write a positive 50 miles here. And it will always be positive when you take an absolute value of a number. So what does that mean here? Well, we reversed for negative 50 miles. We're going back negative 50 miles. We could refer to this as just saying, well, we reversed 50 miles, showing from reference point, that's a negative value, but we wouldn't always write that. We also are talking about here is the net change, ignoring the direction. We just say, hey, since it reversed negative 50 miles, our change from where we were was in fact 50 miles, right? Not specifying either direction, just the change of 50 miles. I hope you learned something here about understanding reverse movements. And as always, thanks for watching.